Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account was permanently banned due to multiple violations on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that your account was permanently banned, so let's see how can you recover that. So you can easily do this by using your TikTok app, or you can also try to use your browser. So let's say I'm going to use my browser here. Just open the browser and you just have to simply search for TikTok Sport. The very first thing, you might have a connection or a strongest stable network connection, or if you're connected to any kind of VPN, decide to disconnect with that. Then search for TikTok support, and here you have to search for report a problem. Here you might see this report a problem. You just open this website, and here just wait for the loading and then tap on this topic or select an option. Just select account access or security. Now select a category. So I'm gonna select ban account. Now just scroll down, and here you might see some options that how can you fix that, but I'm going to use unable to appeal through the app. So now on this section you have to try to appeal for your violation. So enter your username, you have to enter your account username here. Then there's an additional address, you just have to add a contact email on which TikTok will verify you. Then you have to enter the description, or you have to try to appeal from your for your violations. Then check these boxes, then tap on submit option, and your report will be submitted to TikTok's support team. So TikTok will review your report and they will give you feedback and give you your answer on the email address which you have added to your report. And after that, your issue will be fixed and you will be able to use your account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.